Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro 29001.6 CDTI-BT Factory Fitted Crew Cab Silver MOTED Bargain. Body, Silver, Panel Van. Mileage, 115,728. MOT, the 16th of May 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,425 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.